We're on our way to visit the Hoover Dam. There's a lot of little viewing areas between here and there, and we haven't got to it yet. Last one we stopped to was just along the road. This is another Lake Mead viewing area here. That water level is so low, really, really low here. Find out it comes way up someday. We've got to come out here just to see it. Yeah, all this way back here would be underwater if it was high. There's an old railroad track trail here. It's been converted to a walking path and bike track here. It goes up towards the dam, kind of ends in the maintenance area, but I just seen there's a way to go around it. The series about 5 tunnels and stuff, but we don't have bikes, so we choose not to walk it. I have seen some people down there walking it though. We're going to walk across the, I've got to turn around and read this, the Mike O'Callahan, Pat McTillman Memorial Bridge. We'll fix the walk over it.
There you go.
There you go. Let's do it.
Into the room, go please. Heading down the stairs into the room at the bottom. Heading down the stairs into the room at the bottom.
One of the water tunnels that go power the generators, the turbine or whatever. Oh, this is both sides. We are down inside the Hoover Dam. Just saw one power plant, or we saw something of it. Okay, taking the elevator down another portion of it. Ah, big deal. These are the power plants now. Oh, they're turning too.
Get everybody in, out of that tunnel. Find a spot anywhere along the railing.
Probably one that's sped up or was turning way.
We do have some benches if you need a chance to sit down. There is a water front if you need a drink of water, but keep on coming in. Want to get everybody in, out of that tunnel. Find a spot anywhere along the railing.
This is all inside the Hoover Dam.
Keep on coming in.
Close to the top.
Find a spot along the railing. Got some benches if you need a chance to sit down.
We got light. We got windows, light coming in.
All right. So welcome to the Nevada side of the power plant. No, actually, there are 2 parts of the power plant. The other half is on the Arizona side. It is a mirror image of this room, except for one small difference. The Arizona side has 1 extra generator than we have over here. So we have 8 commercial generators on this side. On the Arizona side, there are 9 for a total of 17 of these large commercial generators. Now each generator is 7 stories tall. You can only see the top half of the generator. The rest of it continues down through the floor into another room. Each one of these generators will spin at 180 RPMs, or rounds per minute, producing up to 130 megawatts of electricity. And you can tell the generator's producing that electricity by the light on top of it. If the light is turned on, it means that generator is in operation at that moment in time.
3, first band, first band, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, first band, 9, 10.
We going this way, boss? I guess. He didn't say yeah. No. We almost made it.
14, down to the other side.
We are going.
That's the
not yet.
image really of where you just came from, so it's not much different. But this tunnel is a little bit different because it's got a different color scheme, right? So here's more of that black and white color scheme. This is going to be a tan or a cream color scheme. And the reason for that is because the artist wanted to give you some visual cue to the change that's taking place. So basically we are leaving the power plant, we are entering the structure of the dam itself. When we do this, I'm going to have you guys stay on the right-hand side of the tunnel, stay together. That's why I was trying to keep you kind of like this, because you guys are all together. Hopefully, if you're not, when we start moving, make sure that you do get together, because at the end of this tunnel, the second elevator, it's a lot smaller. So I do have to break you guys up into 2 groups to get you up there. So if you want to be together in those groups, stay together in line. So what we'll do is we'll start here with you folks. You'll start in just a second, not yet, but they'll just kind of follow along like you are. That means you ladies here will be taking up the end. All right? Okay. All right, any questions so far? I know those first 2 stops go by pretty quick. All right, so we'll get started. You guys ready? Check out the inlay right here in the doorway as well as we go by. It is. And we've got another inlay coming up. A little different. It's got a drain in the middle. And then we're going to stop right here at the next one. So stay to the right side for me. Come all the way up. Just stay on the right side for me.
That's what we did. 29 homes around these mountains, Amboy, up this way.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, it is 4:15 right now. Let me set the time machine.
Oh,
Let me set the time machine coordinates here. Okay, we got to get up to 50 miles an hour so we can make the flux capacitor work. You might see a bright flash in front of you. Where are we? We're exactly an hour earlier. We are not night people, and so we never go out at night. Fortunately, our late visit, our late finish in Hoover Dam put us back in Las Vegas after sunset. So we're taking this opportunity to ride up Las Vegas Boulevard. Las Vegas Boulevard after dark, after sunset.